Hello guys. So in this video will tell you how to name the ionic compounds, the ones that I call binary type 2. Okay. So I'm going to call binary type 2 to the ones that have a metal with more than one possible charge with a non-metal. Okay. So a metal with more than one possible charge, such as the iron, that can be iron 2 or iron 3. The example I will use, I have iron with 3 atoms of chlorine. So we have to know that the chlorine has always a -1 charge. So it has like -3 charge to the formula. So the iron has to be +3. Okay, now we have 3 rules. Naming the cation, write the charge of the cation with a Roman numeral in parentheses, and rule number 3 is to name the anion. Now we have to know also, name the anion with the ith ending. Now, when we write the name, okay, we have to be sure about the charge. That's really important. Okay. So if we follow the rules, the rule number 1 will tell us that we have to write iron. The rule number 2 will tell us that we have to write a number 3, and Roman numeral 3, and at the end the word chloride, because it has chlorine, but with the ith ending is chloride. Okay, so remember that we have the 3 because the iron has a +3 charge, because it has 3 negative charges of the 3 atoms of chloride, the 3 ions of chloride. Okay, so that's all for this video. Now again, this is the type number 2 for the binary ionic compounds, and that's all. See you guys later in the next video.